Yeah, there's the Main Street Bridge for downtown Jacksonville. There's some of the large buildings. That's my son Ben. Hi Ben. CXX building. And this is the Acosta Bridge, right Ben? The Acosta Bridge. This is the boat ramp for the river taxi. And there's a little park across there that you can walk around right beside the bridge. And this is the St. Johns River, which goes a very long way, like down to I-4 and I think even further South Florida. Anyway, we came on this side and we're going to go on the other side of Main Street Bridge, still on this side though, to see an area called Friendship Fountain. Don't we all need a little friendship? See you shortly. Thanks for watching. Bye.